Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Mailchimp is one of the most beginner-friendly email marketing services which are present in the market. So in case if you want to display your Mailchimp subscribe account in WordPress, then this is the video tutorial you're looking for, because in this video tutorial you'll learn exactly what you need to do to display your Mailchimp subscribe account in WordPress. Now, doing this can encourage your visitors to join your newsletters. Like 735,000 other people have also joined this email list. So showing this kind of message or something will obviously encourage other people to join your email list. So to do this, you have to follow just some basic steps. So first you need to go to your WordPress admin dashboard, hover onto plugins and then click on add new. Then the search bar, search for Mailchimp subscriber chicklet. Now you will see this is the plugin we want. So click on install now. And once you have installed it, just click on activate. Now after the activation of this plugin, hover onto the settings and then click on Mailchimp subscriber chicklet. First you'll need to enter your Mailchimp API key. If you haven't created one, then you can log into your Mailchimp account dashboard and get one. So let's go to our Mailchimp account and then copy this API key. If you don't know how to find your API key, then I have shared the steps in the description, following which you can get your API keys as well. Now get back to the WordPress where we left and paste the API keys here in the box. Now once done, click on save changes. Now the plugin will reload and a shortcode will be generated. You can see that the post numerical text is set as subscribers. You can change it if you want. Now you can also select your email list from here, which will display whose number count will be displayed here. This will generate the shortcode and we need to copy this shortcode as it will be used in the next step. Now I want to display subscriber count in my post section. So let's move to the post window. I want to show it here at the end of this article. So to do that, just paste the shortcode here at the end. Now once it's done, click on update. Now click on preview to check if the shortcode is actually working or not. So as you can see that on this post, when I scroll down, I'll see my Mailchimp subscriber count is shown here. So this is how easily you can show your Mailchimp subscriber count in WordPress.
I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.